Ecology is the study of how living things, plants, animals, and even tiny microorganisms interact with each other and with their environment. It helps us understand the invisible connections that keep life on Earth in balance. Think of Earth as a giant web. When one part of the web is touched, the entire structure feels it. Ecology helps us see those connections clearly, how energy flows through ecosystems, how species depend on one another, and how human actions can protect or disrupt the natural world. It's about understanding our place in it and the responsibility we share in caring for the planet. Let's begin exploring how life on Earth truly works. By the end of this unit, you'll be able to look at a forest, a beach, a city park, or even your own backyard and recognize the complex systems at work. Ecology isn't just about nature. It's about understanding our place in it and the responsibility we share in caring for the planet. Everyone, before we dive deeper into today's lesson, I want to start with a quick warm-up to get your minds thinking like ecologists. We've been discussing ecology, how life on Earth is interconnected in ways we often don't notice. Let me ask you a few questions to gauge what you already know and spark some curiosity. First, what do you think ecology primarily studies? Is it the movement of planets, the way humans build technology, weather patterns? Or is it the interactions between living things and their environment? Second, imagine Earth as a system. What metaphor best describes how everything in nature is connected? Would you say it's like a machine, a building, a river, or maybe a giant web where every part affects the whole? And finally, why do we study ecology in the first place? Is it just to memorize species names, or is it to understand how ecosystems work and how our actions can protect or disrupt the natural world? Keep those questions in mind as we explore today's topic. Ecology isn't just science, it's a way of seeing the world more clearly.